to rest. They nodded their heads, agreeing it's best.
Four little monkeys with toys in hand, building tall towers, oh so grand. Mama said, let's tidy the floor. They cleaned up their toys, then played some more.
Three little monkeys drawing with glee, sketching flowers and a big oak tree. Mama peeked in, what art you make?
They showed their
Pictures, a colorful cake.
Two little monkeys reading a book, exploring adventures, come take a look. Mama smiled, story time's fun. They read together
Till it was done. One little monkey, feeling sleepy now, yawned and stretched, then took a bow. Mama whispered, time for bed. He climbed in softly, resting his head. No little monkeys making a peep. The house is quiet, they're all asleep. Mama sighed, what a joyful day. Dreaming monkeys, hip hip